Okay, this is an interior duty lamp, and the garage is considered the exterior. So this particular lamp is not suited for the garage space. We're talking about the attic mostly. I'm missing step down here. The attic does not. These things are pretty dangerous in their best days. So I'm going to come up here. We got plywood. This is a truss system. Truss is very strong. Okay, up here we've got some exposed electric junctions right in there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. We're going up there pretty soon anyway. So we've got the exposed electric junctions. You're not supposed to have electric cable this close to an attic entrance, and of course we've got the exposed junctions. Doesn't make it one bit safer. Let's try this ladder here. If I can make it a little safer. It's a danger day for me. Is that going to work? Jeez, I hope so. Filming my death. At least I have the camera off so I can come down. Right? I'm telling you, it's pretty dangerous. So up here we have gable vents, passive wind turbines, and then we have ridge vents, like I said before. So we got mixed use. You need a cap there. That's exterior light, but you got some long leads. Loose fill fiberglass. We got 2 layers of loose fill fiberglass. That's usually not a good sign. It's better than what you had, so there's some improvement that's gained. But what happens here is it's a mixed use system. I've got notes. You got tape on your air conditioning connections there. Your air conditioning vent connections. More vents. I'm gonna crawl. You should have a walkway. I shouldn't go up there. I shouldn't have come up this ladder. But let's find out what else we have.